Hi there. If you are using Gigabyte products, then you might need to know the genuine source to get the drivers from. This video will show you the exact way to get your desired drivers and other tools downloaded from official Gigabyte support. Search for Gigabyte support in Google. Head to the first official support. Come to Consumer Products. Downloads Center. Now, you can type the product model here. Or what I like is to input product line. I have a Gigabyte laptop or Auris series. "17-inch display." So, this is the laptop and these are the tools I can get from here. Heading to driver. All the necessary drivers for this laptop are listed here, like audio, Bluetooth, chipset, LAN, etc. Just clicking here will download the driver for you to install in the system you are using. So, this is how you can get your drivers for Gigabyte PC and other devices. Please be with us and inspire. Goodbye.